Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to make animal and plant cell. First, let me show you how to make plant cell. So let's get started. Make the shape of a hexagon, an irregular hexagon for plant cell. Now keep following what all I am making. Make some lines on the vertices as shown. Now rub the cell membrane and adjacent cell wall so that we can show that cell has a selectively permeable membrane. Now join it as shown. As we all know, plant has a larger vacuole, so make the vacuole first and then the nucleus. As we made the cell membrane, make the nuclear envelope also the same. Now make rough endoplasmic reticulum on the sides of nucleus. Then make Golgi apparatus. Similarly, make all the organelles present in the plant cell. If you know what all organelles are present in the plant cell, it is very easy for you to draw it. And with this, we are done with the making of plant cell. If you are making it for an exam, Just label it with pencil only and your plant cell is done. But if you are making it for your notes or notebook, you may outline it with black pen. So I am outlining it with black pen. You may also do so. So we are done with the making of plant cell and I have done the outlining as well. Now the most important part in every diagram is its labeling. If you will not label it properly, your marks may get reduced in your exam. So now let's label it first. These are the ribosomes. Then we have chloroplast. And all the fluid part in the cell is known as cytoplasm. This one is our plasma membrane. This is nuclear envelope. Then we have our Golgi apparatus. Again comes our chloroplast. Now here remember one thing. Whenever you make diagram, in the labeling, the arrow mark should be inside. Like this as shown. What you do is you mark the arrow outwards where you write, but that's a wrong way. You should always mark the arrows inside as shown. This is our rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER. We forgot to draw smooth endoplasmic reticulum, so now let's draw that. Now we have lysosome, then smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER. This is the nucleus. Then mitochondria. This is adjacent cell wall. Then the cell wall. So the diagram for our plant cell is complete. If you want, you may color it. But remember not to color it in your exam. In your exam, if you want, just do the shading with the pencil and label it with pencil only. So that's all for the plant cell. Here I am going to color it and show you. So this is our plant cell. Now let's make animal cell. For animal cell, first make a outline as shown. It is also like a hexagon but not exactly the hexagon. Now make a boundary outside it, a little thicker. See how easy it was? Outer structure is almost ready. Okay, now you just need to know what all organelles are present in animal cell and your animal cell will be ready. Believe me, if you know what all organelles are there, you can easily make the animal cell. To make it look 3D, make three lines as shown. Make the nucleus at the center. Now make all the organelles present in animal cell. I'm done with animal cell and now let's outline it with black pen. So our outlining is also done. Now let's label animal cell as well. This one is cell membrane or plasma membrane. This one is a centriole. Then we have lysosome. These are rhizosomes. This one is mitochondria. This is RER or rough endoplasmic reticulum. The fluid all over the cell is known as cytoplasm. Then we have the nucleus. Then comes the nuclear envelope. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And at last we have Golgi apparatus. So we are done with our animal cell as well. So that's all for my today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, take care.